My people, history is about to happen again. History is about to happen again. Today, September 26th, inside the Federal High Court in Abuja. All eyes are on Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of IPOB, and the DSS came prepared, tightened their grip, but instead they are now the ones cornered, exposed, and embarrassed. The control is on fire. The judge is raising hard questions, and the entire case is beginning to collapse right before our own eyes. This may just be the most crucial day in Nnamdi Kanu longer battle. Could this September 26th try mark the beginning of the final end game to this be the state that leads direct to his freedom? Stay with me till the end because I will break down exactly what happened in the courtroom today, why DSS in serious trouble, and how this case is now turning in favor more than ever before for Nnamdi Kanu. Before I continue, please smash the like button, drop your comment, and share this video so that the world can now see the truth. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Please, my rascal, subscribe right now because we are beginning and also bringing you the updates live and direct in the courtroom. Today, court session started with unusual tension from the early morning hours. Security forces flooded this federal high court. MDS officers stood everywhere as if preparing for a war. Their faces were hard, their eyes restless. It was clear they came with one mission: to intimidate, to silence, and to show power. But something happened that changed the atmosphere at Nnamdi Kanu entered courtroom dressed in his usual time but determined manner. Shout from his supporters outside echoed through the world, from them to Nnamdi Kanu, free Nnamdi Kanu, free Nnamdi Kanu. It was a sound that shocked even the security officers inside the court. You could feel pressure in the eyes. Something was about to break. Kanu legal teams are once the session begins. Kanu legal teams wasted no time. They rose immediately, challenged the very foundation of the charges brought by the federal government. They reminded the court that these charges are outdated. They circled and already condemned by the Amnesty International and other international observers. They urge strongly that the Nigerian government has nothing new, nothing strong, nothing valid. All they claim bring to court are empty paper, weak questioning, and trite excuses. The lawyers on the one point, the DSS has no excuse. The argument caught the attention of the judge, who listened carefully, occasionally nodding, and then threw sharp questions back at the prosecution. DSS under every pressure. The DSS came prepared with documents and their usual intimidating tactics, but today they look completely unsettled each time the defense struck with facts. The DSS humbled their statement, didn't add more. Their so-called evidence was weak, outdated, and irrelevant. At one point, the judge interrupted and asked them direct, "Is this really the best you have ever holding a man for you ever holding a man for so long?" The question also sent chocolate across the country. The question also sent signal across the country when even journalists side were spread among themselves. This case is falling apart. The DSS usually bold and arrogant look shaking. They had no clear answer, no solid proof. It was a moment of embarrassment that exposed their weakness in front of the world. The judge, warning, the judge did not hide his frustration. He made it clear that the case cannot continue on the baseless argument and endless adjustments. He stressed that the DSS cannot continue to hold a man in detention without presenting real evidence. This was all shift because it was shown the court itself is now tired of DSS game. The judge body language said, message loud and clear. This case is nearing its natural death. The turning point of September 26. The highlight of today's session was when Kanu demands that the court throw out on outdated charges immediately. They urge that international law, Nigerian law, and even constitutional have all been violated by DSS. The judge did not dismiss their argument. Instead, he promised to review the motion seriously. That moment was a major win for Kanu because he is now taking his defense very serious. Wow, this is a very wonderful moment in the court today for Nnamdi. In all of his cases that has been taking place in this court, there is a powerful positive shift for him. And I pray that it will keep going that way to make this happen for him. I pray that it's not going to be long for that man to be released for nothing that he has done. His lawyers submitted no case. And no case, in this no case, if I can elaborate it or break it down for those who do not understand, when your lawyer submit no case, it means that the defendants does not, it means that the federal government does not have a very evidence that can be able to tackle and crucify Nnamdi Kanu, the IPOB leader. Unfortunately, the 13 points they brought to court, there is no powerful backup evidence on it, and they give their reasons why those things are not evidences and why they said there is no case. And I believe that the judge is going to understand and strike all these charges and release Nnamdi Kanu to go, and also to be able to go and take care of himself. This is what happens in the court today. If you think that what we've just heard means something to you, please subscribe, like, and share, and press the button bell. And also, do you think that the judge is going to rule on the favor of Nnamdi Kanu or the favor of federal government? Do you think that Nnamdi Kanu is about to be released, or they are still turning him upside down? Please, let's hear from you on the comment section. Let's hear your own opinion and what you think. And please don't forget to like and share and press the button bell. Until come your way again, I remain your host, Michael. Here we give you everything happening in Nigeria and Africa. No filters. We are not biased. We bring it where it is, as you have seen now. God bless you until I come your way again and to give you more updates. Remain blessed. Bye.